Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Sonata headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb for your Sonata. Make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Once ready, open the hood and identify the back of the headlight assembly, which is usually accessible from the engine bay. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling it straight off. After that, remove any protective dust caps or covers that might be shielding the bulb housing. You might need to twist these covers counterclockwise to release them. Finally, unclip the retaining spring or twist the bulb itself counterclockwise to free it from its socket. Handle the bulb by its base to avoid touching the glass. Now take your new headlight bulb and carefully insert it into the housing, making sure it's properly seated and aligned. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Once the bulb is in place, secure it by reattaching the retaining clip or by twisting the bulb clockwise until it locks. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector and replace any dust caps or covers you removed earlier. Double-check all connections. After installing the new bulb, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your car's headlights and check both the low and high beams to ensure everything is working as expected. If the light doesn't come on, recheck your connections and the bulb seating. This final step confirms a successful replacement and ensures your safety on the road. For more great deals and to learn how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.